Amoy kape dito. Coffee farm ba to?
Alam mo, suitable kasi yung laterite soil sa pagtanim ng kape. Etong mga coffee trees na to, they survive from the intense climatic conditions as well as terrestrial activities occurring within the plantation.
Kanina ka pa. Ikaw lang nakakaintindi sa sarili mo.
Hindi, excited lang ako kasi nabubuhay yung mga kape sa arid environment. Malaking tulong to sa experiments namin sa rehabilitation.
Ano bang pwedeng tumubo dito? Maliban sa kape.
Cacao, rubber, bamboo.
Eh, yung mga plants na parang ferns, yung parang pinya, ganun. Pwede ba?
Pwedeng ferns. Yung balak namin sa rainforestation program namin.
Rainforestation, hindi reforestation.
Rainforestation. Alam mo, karamihan sa mga itatanim namin dito, local trees. Pero may mga exotic din like mangium, agoho, Holicornis, para magka-canopy. Uy, boring ba?
Kailangan ko lang mag-charge. Asan ba yung kape? Ay, ayun ah. Hello po!
Hello po.
Hi, magandang araw po.
Magandang araw din po.
Araw po.
Hello po. Ay, ate, pwede pong makahingi lang ng konting kape?
Opo, ito po.
Thank you.
Ang dami ng hinog, no?
Nagpipitas na po kami.
Magpapatuyo na kayo.
Opo, doon po sa dryer ng seminar namin.
All weather yun, ha? Okay yun, maganda.
Sabi po sa seminar, mga 4 na linggo bago matuyo.
Ate, depende yun sa panahon eh. Pero yun ang maganda. Parang nasa 11 to 12% yung moisture content.
Paano na, Jessie?
You mean what's next? Bakit ba lagi nating hinahanapan ng kasunod ang anumang bagay? Like what happened last night. It was just one beautiful moment na tapos na. Na hindi na magbabago. Wala nang kasunod. Huwag na nating sirain pa. Sayang naman, di ba? Darating na lang sa buhay natin yung panahon na maaalala natin na once in our life, we had one beautiful summer worth remembering. One beautiful summer to remember. Forever. Mas masarap yung ganun, di ba?
Paano ko? Paano to?
Bakit ikaw lang bang pwede magtanong ng ganyan? Pwede ko rin naman tanongin sa sarili ko, paano rin ako? But I've been through with that. Dati ganyan din ako eh. Parati kong tinatanong, paano na ako? Ano mangyayari sa akin? Saan ako pupunta? But you know what? After everything that happened this summer, I think and I really feel that I've grown up. Sana ikaw rin. You're not the same boy you used to be. Kung sino ka mang Roy kahapon, dapat ibang Roy ka na ngayon. You're a real man now. Mama ka na ngayon. Di ka na totoy. Alam mo, kaya nga iniisip ko, now is the right time to make a decision to both go our own separate ways. Magkaiba naman ang landas natin eh. Don't let your feelings destroy what the future has in store for you. For me. For both of us. Maaring magkita pa tayong muli. Maaring hindi na kailanman. Only destiny will tell. But you know, for whatever it's worth, I also like you a lot.
Come on, Ira. Relax. Kayang-kaya mo yan.
First time ko lang ho kasi, sir.
You'll be terrific. Maganda ang trabaho mo.
Siguradong
Thank you.
magugustuhan yan ni Miss Benitez. She has an eye for good art.
You know, Miss Benitez is the sole owner of this company. Bihira yung pumunta rito. para dumalaw yan at makita lang ang presentation mo is a good sign that she's interested in you, in your work.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ms. Benitez, I'm pleased to introduce our new assistant art director, Ms. Ira Noche.
Yeah, kilala ko na siya. I've read her profile. I make sure na kilala ko ang aking mga employees. At kahit wala pa siya rito sa kumpanyang ito, kilala ko na siya. I know the Noches. Dating mayaman, pero ngayon mahirap na. Oh, anong gagawin natin ngayon dito? Magtititigan?
Why don't you make your presentation now?
Good morning, Ms. Benitez. Ladies and gentlemen of the board, I'm here to present a new storyboard for Extra Bar's advertising campaign.
Is that your work?
Yes, Ms. Benitez.
I don't like it.
But Ms. Benitez...
I don't like it, Nieto. Kayo, gusto mo ba to?
Hindi ganun.
I don't think it would be effective to use that kind of...
San lupalop ka ba nag-aral at ganyan kapangit ang trabaho mo?
If that is your opinion, Ms. Benitez, I will respect it. Pero hindi naman siguro tamang bastusin ang trabaho ng iba.
At sino ka para magsabi ko ng tama o hindi tama sa kumpanyang ito? Empleyado ko lang dito, may I remind you. At ako ang may-ari ng kumpanyang ito. At pwede kong gawin ang lahat ng gusto ko. And that includes kicking you out of here. You're fired.
But Ms.
And you
Benitez...
are fired too, Nieto, for hiring incompetent people like her. Now get out. The two of you get out!
This is not right. Nieto.
The meeting is adjourned. Get out. All of you get out!
Very well. Let's go.
Get out!